Morning. What is up, my bodyweight warriors, and welcome back to another video. We are still in Norway, still at Ulrik's place. Today is the following day from the previous vlog, so if you want to check that one out, I'll link it in the description down below. That was an in-depth hand balancing session with the two of us. Today, however, today's going to be a little bit different.
It's beautiful today.
Winter has come.
Winter has come. This is nice winter though. Yesterday we just did a handstand session basically, but today it's just gonna be, I'm just gonna title it Norwegian Beasts. One of them being Ulrik, a hand balancing, but we're also gonna meet two other people there who are gonna completely show me up. But it'll be epic basically. So I'm just gonna kind of let them do the training, and I'll probably just try to film things and make it look cool.
No, Tom, you're not getting away. We're going to train you, if you want it or not. You will be trained. There shall be suffer.
Oh my god.
Many, many suffers.
Catch you when we have some coffee.
Warm up if I tried to do that now, I'd probably die.
I would sit there myself. Lukas do. Sondre Berger. Ulrik Asfossen.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you. I know we already say goodbye.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Bye.
Awesome day.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Those guys were super nice. Super nice. And
super strong.
Super strong. Super strong. I don't think I actually managed to get half the crazy stuff that you guys did, but I tried to get as much as I could.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check them out. I'll link everyone in the description down below. Obviously Ulrik I've been staying with, and then Sondre and Lukas.
Yes.
Yeah. Check them out.
Some of the strongest people in the world.
Setting the mood for the evening. Very important.
Ulrik is just setting the mood now. We got back. We're doing an Instagram live in a second, just answering some Q&As about handstands and about some of the America tour as well, because I've had quite a few questions. But yeah, that session was pretty epic. Sondre was damn strong. He actually did a one-arm muscle up as well, like kipping style, which I didn't manage to film, but it was crazy. They're just beasts. Both of them are just beasts.
Ulrik's a beast, and then I was just kind of being average, so I thought I'd film everything. I hope you guys enjoyed that kind of montage of whatever it was. I don't know how it's going to turn out yet because I've still got to edit it, but I'm currently feeling very sore and running out of things to talk about. So I think I'm going to cut off that vlog here. First of all, make sure you go follow everyone in the description down below, both Ulrik and then also Sondre and Lukas. They're all beasts, all well worth follow. You'll probably learn something from them or definitely be inspired to do something. Also, if you enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up button, support the channel. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you just want to let me know how awesome these guys are. But that's been it for this week, guys. I'll catch you in the next episode. Have a strong week and peace.